use the spikes to install the light to the ground. And you can also... Hello friends, welcome to YINGHAOSOLAR's channel. I'm Alvin. Today, I will be introducing our solar garden light series known as Solar Garden Sunset Spotlight. Well, we have two types of solar garden sunset spotlight. This one, the model is YH0519, and this one YH0529. They are in the same series, that is a solar garden sunset spotlight. Well, let's explore the difference between them. The lens on this model is bigger, so it can provide a wider illumination range. It is suitable for broader pathways. And this one with a smaller lens, so you can see the illumination range is smaller too. It is suitable for slightly narrower trails. Okay, so next, let's have a close look to each of them. Well, both of them comes with the two color light options: warm white, cool white, and warm white, cool white. The brightness for this model, they have two level brightness from 100 lumen to 200. And for this one, they also have two level brightness like 80 lumen and 100 lumen. But we can also make it according customers' requirement. As the brightness of these two models are different, so the battery inside also different. For this one, the built-in battery is 2200 mAh, and for this small one, the battery capacity is 1800 mAh. Next, let me introduce the installation process for both items. Yes, for both of them, you can use the spikes to install the light to the ground, and you can also use screws to install the light to the wall. It is very easy and convenient. My friends, if you are in solar light business, please be remember to contact with us. We will provide you good product and good price. We can provide the OEM and ODM service. We have long experience in this field, so we won't let you down. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your other friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. You will get our latest news on our company and products. Thank you, my friends. See you next time.